Hey guys, well, I'm in Costa Rica right now. I've been here for about a week. I have another week to go, and I've been buying my food from a fresh local organic farm here. So I figured I'd come and do a quick little film of it and show you how they're doing stuff here. It's really interesting. It's really hot here. I'm surprised that they can grow these lettuces and things, but they're using shade cloths and everything here. And as we come in here, they've got bok choy growing, which I'm surprised because I thought bok choy was a bit colder weather crop. And here's their lettuce over here. We got rows of it down here, and then on the other side here, looks like they just freshly transplanted some stuff the past week or two. It looks like they've got misters here all along here to mist all their vegetables here. And actually it feels pretty humid in here with a shade cloth and wind blowing through, and it seems to be keeping everything really moist on the ground. I would have thought that I would have dried things out a lot more, but with the shade cloth, the misting, and nice volcanic ash, I think that's what it is, the volcanic ground around here, it's really good nutrients. It provides the veggies with a lot of nutrients for it to grow. And I've even seen spinach at one of the markets as well, which I'm surprised, because in this climate I wouldn't think spinach would grow. I would have thought it would bolt it pretty quickly. I'll do another quick look here of the soil. It's really crazy. It's like super, I don't know, it's kind of rocky, clay, sandy. A little bit of everything going on in here. So I'll take you inside the shop here to go see her little stand and see what she has in there. Here's a little, sorry for the car running, now this car is running. Here's a little storefront here. Everything's 100% organic. Our host for Airbnb sent us here. She buys all her stuff here. So we'll go inside and check it out and buy some garlic. Bought some garlic yesterday, it was amazing. Got fresh local organic eggs, ginger, turmeric, onions, potato. This is the garlic I'm going to buy here. It's super spicy. I'm going to bring some home to try plant. Potatoes, cucumber, tomatoes, sweet potatoes, bananas. Bananas are so good here. So are the lime, lemons. No, a whole bunch of papaya. And then in her cooler, she's got a whole bunch of lettuces and the cold stuff, cauliflower, broccoli, beets, scallions, kale, more lettuces. So I just bought some garlic from the lady inside, and I was trying to find out what variety it was, but because I can't speak Spanish and she doesn't speak English, it was kind of hard. But she told me that it's not from China, it's Costa Rica, from what I could understand. So good Costa Rican garlic, nothing from China, which is what we all like to have. And so guys, that's just a little tour of this little place, just a short little video. I just wanted to show you Costa Rica and how they grow down here with the hot, humid weather and how things do. So hope you like that quick little video, guys. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.